Hi, welcome to the third module of the course, Industrial Project 1. I am Nurhayati Saad, your main facilitator for this course. If let's say you are interested to know more about this course, Industrial Project 1, you may directly go to this link, our massive open online course via our learning management system, Universiti Teknologi Mara. We call it UFuture. Yeah, so you can type this link as shown here. For this third module, the course outcome cover 4 COs, which is first, integrate wide range of engineering management knowledge and tools that enable them to be applied in the various organizations, generate viable industrial proposal and solution to industrial problems using the acquired knowledge and tools. The third one, initiate research program component using appropriate tools and apply practical skill in the relevant field. And the last one, practice industrial projects with technical, social, ethics, professionalism, and environmental values in mind. In this module, we will cover 4 subtopics, which are interpretations of result and taking conclusions, basic statistics, sampling, data analysis and interpretation, design of survey and experiment in research, and also how we write hypothesis testing based on the inferentials, and also writing based on the inferential statistics. For the first subtopic, interpretations of result and taking conclusions, after we have established our research, so it is important to write a good result and discussion chapter, and after that writing the conclusion for the dissertation. First, you need to have a look in terms of the research process in order to smooth your writing steps. The requirement in writing the result and discussion, and also the analysis of the data. How we write or criticize in terms of the relevant results. The best way to write the conclusions of the dissertation. Next, later, separately, we will have a look on the basic statistics, sampling, data analysis and interpretations. So this is the second subtopic for the module. The third subtopic is design of survey and experiments in research. In this one, as we already covered in module 1, we will have look different type of the research to be connected to the action research or applied research for the industrial based project proposal. It is important to understand the overall stages of research process, from the problem definitions, planning a research design, planning a sample, gathering the data, and processing and analyzing the data. Finally, we formalize the conclusion and also prepare the report. And it is important to understand stages of research in terms of problem definitions and in terms of decision to make specifically on the research. So you may have looked different basic question in establishment of the research itself in relation to the result and discussion later. And it is important for us to understand when we discover the problem, we select the research techniques, methodology, and how we relate with the data. Either it is secondary data, pilot study, experience study, or case study. And after that, we establish the basic research method, or it is related to the methodology, scientific approaches in handling the project. It may cover in terms of survey, interview, or designing the questionnaire, experiment in the labs, modeling or simulation, observation-based research, or we use the secondary data study, and also validation requirement at the end of the research methodology. From that one we will collect the data, and from this selection of sample data, we need to establish the probability functions, to collect the data, edit the data, process it, interpret it, properly, by putting in the result and discussion, and finally the conclusion in the report. So we need to design for the entire research processes. So we need to consider the selection criteria in designing the research, how to design the survey, possibility of the survey error, how we may consider to reduce the survey error, how to classify the survey. We may alternatively have the survey based on interview, telephone interview, and in terms of other approach, we may have experimental based research design. And the last portion of the module is hypothesis testing and inferential statistics.